Hello everybody. I figured I'd give you a short update here. I think I showed you in the last video on the 67 the rust that I had in the frame. I have patched the outside. I cut it out. All this came from it. The inside of that frame was full of sand, and it rusted the inside of the frame out from the inside out, and I guess it all got broke up. What it was chunks like this. Just dry sand, like a brick. Couldn't break it up; it just shattered. But I cut pieces of metal off my braces, and I have another piece too. But I cut it out. I cut out a piece of plate about a ½ inch bigger, all the way around. Replaced the outside, cut the bottom out. Replaced the bottom. I still have to replace the inside, but my stone blew up. And I still have to do that side. That's what that all looked like. I mean, it's just full of trash and rust. Trying to show you. So I done this, and I'll show you a little bit more of that once I get all that done. I was, well, I wasn't just going to, I made an attempt at using blue car's front frame, and I cut it off. Drug it down here and flipped it over, because it didn't have rust where that one does. But I flipped it over and the bottom of the rail's gone from the A-arm, lower A-arm back to the corner on both sides. It's just rusted out. So I'm having to plate the frame. But on the 70, an update for it would be minor stuff. I put the disc brake medallion in on that one for this car. And I got in here and pulled the headliner, and it's still not perfect. I got to try to pull it one more time, but I'm going to wait until it's nice and hot down here and glue it and trim it and all that good stuff. Put the wind lace on it, and it should be as good as it's going to be, and I'm done with that. And since a few of you seem to like it when I sneak in things at the end of the video without saying anything about it, this is a 70s Edelbrock Torquer 2R. Torquer 2R, which means Torquer intake, but it's rectangular. And it's, I've not really ever seen very many of these. This is one of those twisted intakes. The only other one I've ever seen is on the Nova, but it's oval port. Straight big runners. Just look at that. But that is what's going on. The Chevelles, the 70 Chevelles, 375 horse, along with this Excel deal point. We'll show you it's the carburetor too, but I don't have it down here. Sometime this week I'm going to get down here and clean up the heads so I can check the valve clearance. And then I can start taking that back apart and cleaning it. And then we can put it together. So, stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more coming up. And I hope you've liked the video. Until next time, God bless. And I'll see you later. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if you have already subscribed, hit that notification bell so you can see more when I upload more of this. See you next time.